Hi everyone, this is Morgan and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you guys how I cook eggplant. I'm going to go ahead and add oil. And I'm gonna add the onions. What I have in here is I have onion, tomato, and bell pepper, green bell pepper. So now I'm going to go ahead and add the onion. So go ahead, let this onion get brown. The onion is getting brown. So now I'm going to go ahead and add ginger and garlic. To go ahead add the tomato. So today I'm going to add this spice. So here I have salt for sure. This is paprika for the taste and coloring, red chili powder, turmeric, and coriander powder. So this is how much spice I'm going to put on this dish today. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that. It looks really good. I'll let this cook for 5 minutes before I add the green pepper. It has been cooking almost 5 minutes. Looking very delicious. Green pepper. I like to put green pepper sometimes when I'm cooking the eggplant because it enhances the taste of the dish. Go ahead, let this cook for 5 more minutes before I add eggplant. Now that I have everything that I wanted within this dish, I'm going to go ahead and add the eggplant. I have 2 medium eggplant that I have it here, that I sliced it. I soaked it with salt and water for 30 minutes and then I rinse it out. So now I'm going to go ahead and add this. I'm not going to stir it right now. Just for now, I'm going to let this cook. When it shrink down a little bit, and then I'm going to go ahead and mix all of them together. I did let this cook for maybe 2 to 3 minutes. I stir it right now. It looks really delicious. It goes very well with rice as a side dish that is mixed. I'm going to let this cook for 5 minutes like this, and then I'm gonna add 1 glass of water and let this cook. Now that I add water and I stir it very well, I'm gonna let this cook. When it's done, I will show you guys the finishing. The eggplant dish is done. It looks really delicious. I see the oil. So when the oil comes out like this, that means it's done. I'm going to go ahead turn off the heat. I'm gonna see how I did it. So just have some of it. Looks really wanting and delicious. It's hot. Go have it today with naan. So here you go. This is how it looks like. It looks very delicious and wanting. So I'm going to go ahead taste it and see how it turns out. Wow, very delicious. Honestly, you guys should try this and let me know how you guys did it. If you follow this recipe exactly how I cook, believe me, you are going to like it. Whether you want to eat it with rice or whether you're gonna eat it like me with naan. So I'm gonna go ahead plate all this and gonna have it with my family. But anyways, it looks really delicious. It tastes really good. The dish is done. Everything is ready. So I hope you guys like what I cooked today. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Share it with your family and friends. If you like it, give a comment. Give a thumbs up. So I will see you guys soon in another video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.